Guys, it's Ashley. This is my 2023 Indian Scout Rogue. These are my new saddlebags thanks to Viking Bags. They are the Ironclad Quick Mount Saddlebags for the Indian Scouts. I really like the matte black. They have different options, but I personally like the matte. They have a lock on them so your stuff can be safe when you're going off your bike, and nice cute Viking Bags design. Let's take a look on the inside. Each bag will come with keys that will unlock your quick mount saddlebags. All you have to do is unlock it here, and this will open up your bags. The bags have a lot of room. I have my water bottle in here and a couple other items in the other bag. There are nice little cubbies right here that you can zip open and Velcro on and off. It also comes with hardware for your bag, so you don't have to run around finding the right screws and bolts for the saddlebag. Saddlebags will come with a set of keys, so you can unlock the quick mount and keep your stuff safe when you're off your bike. The quick mount lock will be on the inside of the bike. As you can see, this won't move when it's locked in, and you definitely want it locked in while you're on your ride. You don't want your bags falling off. All you have to do is unlock that, and this little guy will start moving. And that means you can safely take off your saddlebag quick mount bags, just like so. To get the saddlebags back on the bike, you'll just get in line with these 3 mounts right here, push it down, and your saddlebag is good to go. Once you have your bags mounted back on, make sure to lock them before you go onto your next ride so they don't fall off. One of my favorite things about the bags is the lock system. You cannot open the bags without your key, and it's very, very easy and very convenient for your saddlebags and motorcycle. Installing the bag took about 15 to 20 minutes. There are 2 screws for the 2 mounts for your saddlebags, and I think it looks great on the Indian Scout motorcycles, and I am so happy that I got these Viking bags. Since I've installed these bags, when I've been riding around, I've been getting so many compliments on them, and I truly think they're all well deserved. The bags are also weather resistant, which is great when you're riding during hard weather conditions and you don't want your bags to get messed up in the process. These saddlebags are so durable and versatile, I would recommend them to anyone with an Indian Scout. My favorite feature about them is probably the quick mount, just that you can detach the saddlebag from your bike within seconds and attach it back on within seconds is such an amazing feature that they have added to these saddlebags. Another amazing feature of these bags is being able to sit on your motorcycle and open the bag. I can get a sip of water out of my saddlebag and put it back in after drinking, and I don't have to get off my motorcycle, and I find that to be very convenient for myself. This sleek and spacious saddlebag measures in 19.5 inches in length, 7 inches in width, and 14 inches in height. It's perfect for fitting your riding essentials with style. The lid opening measures 13.25 inches by 5.25 inches, making it very easy to access your items. The features of these bags are what sold me the most. Between the anti-theft lock, how easy it is to open and close, the quick mount detach makes it the best bags. Go get your Ironclad Quick Mount Indian Scout saddlebags today for just $469.99, and you'll have your motorcycle looking super badass.